Have you ever wondered why the price of borrowing money changes? Or how a distant institution can influence your daily finances? From your mortgage to your savings account. The answer lies in the intricate world of interest rates and powerful central banks. Welcome to Understanding Interest Rates. Why central banks control your money. In this documentary, we'll demystify these crucial economic levers and uncover their profound impact on our lives. At its core, an interest rate is simply the cost of borrowing money or the reward for saving it. When you take out a loan, the interest rate is the extra amount you pay back. When you deposit money, the interest rate is what the bank pays you for using your funds. These rates aren't arbitrary, they're a fundamental mechanism in any modern economy. But who sets these rates? And why do they fluctuate? This is where central banks come into play. Institutions like the Federal Reserve, the European Central Bank, or the Bank of England are guardians of monetary policy. Their primary goals are typically to maintain price stability, maximize employment, and ensure financial system stability. One of their most potent tools is the policy interest rate, often called the benchmark rate. By adjusting this rate, central banks send signals throughout the entire financial system. Let's explore how this works. When a central bank raises its policy rate, it makes it more expensive for commercial banks to borrow money. In turn, commercial banks pass on these higher costs, leading to higher interest rates on loans for businesses and consumers. This can slow down economic activity, cool inflation, and encourage saving. Conversely, when a central bank lowers its policy rate, borrowing becomes cheaper for commercial banks. They then offer lower interest rates on loans, stimulating borrowing and spending by businesses and consumers. This can boost economic growth and employment, but it also carries the risk of increasing inflation. The decisions made by central banks are not taken lightly. They involve careful analysis of economic data, including inflation rates, employment figures, and GDP growth. These institutions operate with independence from political pressures, allowing decisions based on long-term economic health. The impact of these decisions is far-reaching. For individuals, higher interest rates mean higher mortgage payments, more expensive car loans, and potentially better returns on savings. Lower rates can make home ownership more accessible and encourage investment, but might yield less on savings. For businesses, interest rates affect investment decisions. Cheaper borrowing encourages expansion, hiring, and innovation. More expensive borrowing can lead to cutbacks and slower growth. Understanding interest rates and central banks is crucial for anyone navigating the modern economy. These institutions, often operating behind the scenes, wield immense power, shaping the financial landscape and influencing millions. While their actions can sometimes feel complex or distant, their ultimate aim is to foster a stable and prosperous economic environment for all. Thank you for joining us on Understanding Interest Rates. Why central banks control your money. We hope this journey has shed light on these vital economic concepts.